Okay, now our assembly diagram is generated. Then we can use our mobile phone to scan the code. It is not convenient to demonstrate with a mobile phone. I will use this screenshot to identify it with a computer. Then I will directly identify our assembly diagram and select the corresponding model in it. What do we have? Which one should I choose? Choose this one, right? And this shoe cabinet. We can also select this model and restore the explosion diagram, right? There is a mark that can hide the door panel, right?